Metadata Utility Media Resource. To enter from the main switchboard, click on Enter/View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Resource. This will open up Media Resource window. Once opened, click on Add New, followed by clicking on the confirmation message to add or edit list. Click on Yes. Which will set up Media Resource window in edit mode for edit mode. Double click on the field to activate it and proceed to copy and paste each and every one of the paths which the Windows Media Center movie library is located. For those users that have multiple NAS storages or multiple Windows partitions in which parts of the Windows Media Center library is located, then this Media Resource window is meant for that. For those users that have a simpler one location for all the movies, then there would be just one single path. For more information on Media Resource, as well as to any other topics with regard to Metadata Utility and its capabilities to synchronize movie information to Windows Media Center, we welcome of our users to click on any of our other videos that we have available, as well as to visit our website at metadatautility.com for more details. Thank you for watching.